Gravity SMTP lets you reliably send emails from your WordPress website and integrates seamlessly with Postmark. In this video, we'll show you how to connect Gravity SMTP with Postmark so you can send all your WordPress emails with confidence. To follow along with this video, you'll need Gravity SMTP already installed and an existing Postmark account. To get started, head to the Gravity SMTP settings and select Integrations. Next, open the Postmark settings. You'll need a Server API token to sync Postmark with Gravity SMTP. You can click the link on screen to go to the API token tab on your Postmark account page. From there, search for the Postmark server that you would like to use under the Server API Tokens section. If you've never set up a Postmark server, you can do so by clicking on the Servers tab and selecting Create Server. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your first server. Once you've selected the server you would like to use, select Get a Server API Token. You'll next want to copy and paste your API token into the Server API Token field within your WordPress dashboard. You can then configure some general settings, such as the default from email and from name, as well as whether or not you want to force the from email or from name. If you force either option, the default from email or from name will override other plugin settings for all outgoing emails. Once you're done, save your settings and use the toggle to connect Gravity SMTP with Postmark. Next, you may want to head to the Gravity SMTP Tools section and send a test email to verify that everything works correctly. After you've sent a test email, you can go to the email log to verify that the email was successfully sent using Postmark. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to let us know in the comments. And for more guides and tutorials on all things Gravity, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.